morning, boys and girls. I'll bring you a real short one here today. They say canola oil is the best oil for cooking with because it's non-saturated and it's what's best for your diet because it doesn't get hard. Really? This is a bottle of canola oil I bought earlier in the week so I could do some cooking. Of course, they don't know what they're talking about. It won't get solid. There's proof it does. Then again, it was 11 below last night. This is the 31st of December. So that's what happens when canola gets cold. It gets just as solid as Crisco. Matter of fact, I got a can of Crisco in there that is less stiff than this canola oil. Just for the statement of the fact. Because Crisco is a light vegetable oil that they hydrogenate, and they whip the extra hydrogen into it, and by whipping it, it incorporates a certain amount of air into it, so therefore it's more spreadable at colder temperatures. Didn't know that, did you? Well, from here at Camp Smithy, this is Zimbrato. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to